What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, we're going to do up some chicken tostadas. First off, we're going to go ahead and put it on some of this Cosmos Dirty Bird. Then, some Sucker Busters Clucker Dust. Smoke it up to a nice 165. Shred it. Then put it on some tostadas. It's going to be nice and flavorful. Hope you stick around. We're going to get right to it. First off, we're going to go ahead and spray it down with a little bit of butter spray. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of that Cosmos. Now we're going to go ahead and put on some of that clucker dust. Now that we're all done over here, I'm going to go ahead and get that Kingsford Stockade going. And we're going to get it up to 300 degrees. Going to go ahead and get this started with a little bit of post soak. And some Royal Oak. Today I'm using my SearPro grill gun. You can get it through my Amazon store down below. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken on our smoker now. Smoker is set at 300 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and shred up this chicken. Just get on in there, shred it up. Go ahead, take a look. Oh yeah, great flavor. Nice hit of heat there from the Sucker Busters. We'll go ahead and keep shredding this up, and we'll be right back. Now we're going to go ahead and build our tostadas. First off, the shells. Go ahead and put them down. Now we're going to go ahead and put our refried beans down. Then our chicken. my lettuce. Tomatoes. Avocado. Finally, our cheese. Oh, they look so good. Now, time for the taste test. Here we go. Oh yeah. Them refried beans mixed with the creaminess of the avocado. Then that chicken just done oh so right. Oh yeah. Just sings. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.